Hey everyone, welcome back to the Contreras review channel. And in this channel, what we do is we review products and you make the decision if you want to buy them or not. Today, we're going to be reviewing this wallet that was sent to us as a gift by Usroom. And I'm going to be showing you the cool features and how it works. Okay, so I have this wallet here and it has two slots to put cards, one right here, one right here. What I like about this, you just push it up and you can take your card out. This one you will just have to and so I will make a point. It is a little hard sometimes to get the cards out. The back one, I mean, you have space so you can fit your finger and take it out. This first one, if you try to take it out, it is a little hard, so that's why it's easier just to push it up from here, which I really like about that. If you open it, there's some magnets here that help it stay closed. You don't have to, force it open. You can just kind of open it like this. There's another slot right here, 1, 2. You can put another card or cash card back here. Like I said, your finger fits there, so it is. It is a little tight to take it out, but it's good, right? I mean, it's good. It's not as easy to take it out, or for someone to try to take it out of your wallet. So that's good. You do have space in this one, so it is a little tight, but it's still a good wallet. I like it. I know you don't want to be struggling taking it out, like when you need to pay, but just take it out before you're about to pay. Be prepared. So what this wallet was made for was to stick to your phone, and I saw some examples that were going like this, and it does stick to it. So the magnet is strong, and I'll do it like this as well so you can see. Oh, see that even pulled the phone down. So you can see. Yeah, so it is strong, and you can see here I'm pulling it. So it is a pretty strong magnet. You can even open it like this. Now, the thing about this that you need to keep in mind is if you have a case on your phone, which I'm sure 99% of us do, it can affect the strength of the magnet. If you have more like a plastic case like this, I think it will affect the magnet. It'll stick on there, but it'll just make it less strong. There are special cases for these phones that have that Magsafe for your phone, so it'll still stick to it, right? So it just really depends on your case, but it sticks to the phone. It is strong, and it is a good wallet. I really love this wallet. I already put all my stuff in there. It was time for me to clean out my old wallet anyways, so I'm definitely going to be using this one from now on. But there is a review, and I really love it. I love how this wallet is, and it's thin. It's not even that thick. It's thin compared to my other wallet. But I'll let you make the final decision. You decide if you think it's worth it or not. Let us know in the comments below what you think about it. If you have any questions or anything like that. If you want to continue seeing videos like this of us reviewing products and letting you make a decision to know if you want to buy them or not, make sure you like this video, follow and subscribe, so that way we can continue making these videos. And if there's any product that you would like us to review, leave it in the comment and we'll definitely do our best to get to that one. Thank you guys so much for watching.